We have done this because, as you know, the rising sea levels of the ocean are quickly inundating most of the sites along the Kenyan coast, beginning first even with this UNESCO World Heritage Site of Fort Jesus. As you remember, the sea waves and the sea levels, because of the high ocean levels, were eating on the foundation of Fort Jesus, and we have been able to now to secure it with a wall that cost about 500 million shillings that was funded by the National Treasury of the Kenyan government. That's about $5 million that were put in place. Now, this problem that you see in Fort Jesus is not only here, but it also extends on other sites in the Kenyan coast. Particularly, I can say Siu Fort in Lamu site, Jumba la Mtwana in Kilifi County, Shimoni in Kwale County, and many others that are the coast. So what we have decided, in collaboration with the International Council of Restoration of Monuments, which is an international organization based in Rome, we've been able to get funding to train our staff on how to prepare for disaster. How do you protect these sites? What is the first aid that you do when you have a disaster, either as a result of floods or as a result of rising sea levels at the coast? And after we train our staff for a week, next week we will be training communities. These are people living around these sites, and as I said, about 7-8 of them along the coast, because we want them to be able to know and to protect these sites, not only for the tourism and culture tourism of the coast, but also for the country. As you know, that is the mainstay for most of the people in the coast. So this is the reason why we are here, and we want this project to be a success by involving community. Now what we want to do with Go Blue project is to do exhibitions, interpretation centers in them, so that when you come in, even if you're alone, you'll be able to know why that site exists and the importance of that. And we think we will be able to tap monuments and sites in all the counties of the coast, from Taita Taveta to Kwale to Mombasa to Kilifi to Tana River and also to Lamu.